Alrighty, Jeff, here's your 347. Give you a description. It's a combination. Got a set of our heads on it. It's got a custom grind hydraulic roller. It's multi-point EFI. Fuel management, Terminator X. Beautiful built specially blacked out front end on it. Front sump oil pan. We'll go in there and make her runs. See what she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3400, it's 403 foot-pounds of torque, peaks torque 418, peaks horsepower 418. So rated at 425, got a front end on it, so everything's good. Next thing we'll do is pull the pipes back, make sure the exhaust is good and clean for you, and I'm going to show you one other thing. Alrighty, when you receive your engine, you'll find this thing looks like a credit card. It is a USB card full of technical information. It's got engine build specs in it, engine pictures, dyno video, a lot of tech stuff. So I highly recommend plug it in and watch it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have your engine number on it, some other specifications. Don't lose this. If you need anything from us, the easy way for us to search you out is by that engine number. So keep that handy and have a great day.